this multifunctional tool with reversible jaws featuring serrated edges. With this Protect double taper, you could easily convert tow rolls of tape into the double side tape. With this tool you can efficiently drive rods into the ground, with remarkable speed. Now you can easily store water pipes. This is cool, right? Look how he removed various bonded floor types in a matter of seconds. Now you can do less effort, with this open and wrench with adjustable ratchet. This forklift is amazing. Look how it easily worked. This really a smart tool. This shovel could use for planting vegetables or fertilizing fruits trees. This is future with some enhancement, don't you think? This multi-tool designed for sharpening devices and have a sighting disc too. And this is a highly adhesive rubber coating on movable clamping parts. Look at this and tells me your opinion in the comment. Look at this Genesis worker, have stainless steel trowel box. This 8 suction cup carrier with the load capacity of 200 kilograms is a real lifesaver. It enables fast and smooth because the special rubber marks the pressure can be easily released or increased. Double handles can be installed and 4 people can carry the tile. Now you can make patterns of the same height among bricks with this special tool. This product has already been invented and can be easily purchased. There's a ladder offers several options in what package and adjustable platform, a step and a mini tool table. The maximum load can be adjusted up to 227 kilograms. It has non-slip rubber and polypropylene inserts. This grabbers prioritize your safety by keeping your hands as far away from the cutting tool as possible. This really the fastest automobile lifting with this airbag jack. This is body-friendly tool will save your time. It has clamp, a pedal and a lever system. Can you believe that? This tool is the longest lasting, fastest cutting and easiest adjusting solution for cutting holes in sheet metal. It's called gold standard. It's always recommended to be installed into a drill for optimal performance. This allows you to move easily across rooftops, even on slopes of up to 45 degrees. The construction is simple. Eight-meter sections with a hook. Have you ever noticed that the railroads have this system which combines speed and compactness, helps to make them 60 seconds? One battery charge is enough for 28 holes of 24 millimeters in diameter. This tool is more important than ever. It helps assemble the tubing systems through which the soup flows, i.e. pressing on spouts, adding drops in line, installing connectors and end line rings. This is the F6 manual folder by Fierro Dobradiris, a portable tool designed for accurate thin sheet finishing. The 3 inches 1 landscape edging ring is a set of 2 black rings each with a diameter of 37 inches. Look at that, the Grizzly excels in lifting textured materials like armor stone. Now it's much easier to move pipes and join them together. It is essentially a hybrid between a garden wheelbarrow and a jerk supply.